Let's now start with glycolysis. Glycolysis means sweet, lysis means splitting. The other name for this pathway is Embedon-Meyerhof or glycolytic pathway. What is actually glycolysis? Glycolysis is oxidative step or oxidative pathway of glucose. There are a series of reactions that will ultimately convert glucose to pyruvate or lactate. At the same time, it will produce some energy. You all know that the adult human brain uses approximately 120 grams of glucose each day to meet its ATP requirement, right? So how much glucose is important can be just substantiated by the amount brain uses it. So where does this whole glycolysis take place? It takes place in cytoplasm. And we will study it in two stages. One is called as preparatory stage. The second one is called as payback stage. In the preparatory stage, we invest or spend 2 ATPs. And in payback stage, we generate or produce 4 ATPs. Net profit, if I have to say, it is only 2 ATPs exactly. Now, it can happen in the cells where mitochondria is absent. It becomes most important pathway for ATP production. Hence, glycolysis is very, very important in red blood cells, cornea, lens, and other regions of retina do have limited blood supply, and they also lack mitochondria. Again, in these regions, glycolysis is the major source of energy. Kidney medulla, testis, leukocytes, muscle fibers are all totally dependent on glycolysis. So let's now talk about the preparatory stage. This includes first 3 steps of glycolysis. Energy will be utilized in the form of ATP here. So these are the takeaway points. It's a quite hazy structure here. Sorry for a bad picture. This is your closed ring structure of glucose. I would like to draw your attention here. First carbon, anomeric carbon, 6th, as well as 5th, as well as the 6th carbon, right? So the first step is phosphorylation step, wherein glucose is phosphorylated to glucose 6-phosphate. So this is your glucose. This is the 6th carbon, which undergoes phosphorylation to become glucose 6-phosphate. So what are the features of this one?